you can open the present. Go ahead and open Jeannie's present. It's in the box. What's in the bag? Oh, my. Is it closed? I shouldn't have just turned it sideways. Why don't you take the clothes out so I can see them? Okay. That's nice. You want to play with the tissue paper, huh? What else? Who is that? Who is that on the bag?
Pooh.
Pooh? Is that Winnie the Pooh?
More poo.
More Pooh.
Mine.
Your Pooh. What is that? Oh, look at that close-up. Who's on your shirt? Pooh. That's right. Oh my goodness, and there's more. There's your card. You want to read your card? Nuh-uh. Who else is on that bag? Who's on the back of that bag? Does it look like a princess card? Take your time. Oh, it's a princess card. What else is on that card?
Happy.
Do you want to make it into a castle?
No.
No? Okay, can you just say thank you, Jeannie? Thank you, Jeannie. Do you say I love you, Jeannie?